Whenever you close it, every now and again, it'll just turn on and start working. So you got two micro switches in here. I'm going to show you how to get to them and change them out. First, unplug the microwave. Up top here, there's a hole, and inside there's a screw that's holding this plate on. Once you get that screw out, you can pop this up, slide it up, and then out. And then what you need to do is take off this cover so you can give yourself room to work. You can see that's where the screw was up top. Just feed these wires through. Alright, so now inside here you got your micro switch there, and up here we have some new ones. What we're going to use is I'm going to look at what's already on there and we're going to use, they're all kind of different. So you find the one that you need. So we need this one for the bottom and then this one for the top. So all I'm going to do is unplug this, which can sometimes be a pain. All right, so hopefully you can see this. So that switch fell apart inside of here. So we just got to take these ends out of here. But what I'll show you is like this top switch. To get it out, you got these two clips right here that you got to bend to clip it out. And see, this one came apart too. So a lot of this is just age and heat. Heat gets these things and just makes them brittle. All right, so once you get them off, and like if you just break it off, it'll probably be easier and have them like this, because then there's a little button on the bottom here where you can push on that and then pull that broken off spade out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the new switch and we're going to put it back on here. So you got these two little holes, you line it up, and you want this button right here to be facing out towards me. It just clips back in there. Again, button face towards, this one's gonna sit this one down here is kind of set like that. This one's gonna sit like this. So button pointing out this way. So you got common, which goes on bottom. And where did that one go? All right, so you got everything hooked up. You just reattach everything. So I'm gonna put all this back together, just how I brought it out, and then we'll turn it on and show you that it works. All right, so we're working. My trusty pal here, Austin, is trying to put that screw back in by feel, not by sight, but we are good to go, and that's how you replace the micro switches in a microwave. Thanks.